Hey, so I'm keep getting error messages from last 2 days in every 20 minutes. So if we check here, nearly in every 20 minutes, I get a message of the error in a scenario. So I will go check into the organization, and the scenario name is integration Airtable for prompt live. So here is the scenario: integration Airtable for prompt live. So I'll open this in a new tab, and we will apply a break module just to ignore the error, so it will stop the automation next time, because I'm not working currently for this client. But yeah, I don't want to get error messages. So you can see we recently have an error messages of the warning. If I click on the warning, it says we have rate limit error that is coming from the trigger module of Airtable. So what I'm gonna do, I will go in the editing mode, and I will add a break module from here for the trigger, and I will set the error. If it equals to rate limit error, it should be braked. So yeah, let me save this. Boom. So yeah, hopefully I will not be getting the error messages anymore, because it will not run the automation if there is a rate limit error. So thanks for watching. Use this for your video, for your scenario, and if you need any help, just ping me on my WhatsApp number or on my Gmail.